What if the reason you're not making money with AI has nothing to do with the tools you're using? You have ChatGPT, you have the tools, you watch the videos. You know AI is changing everything, and yet, nothing. No income, no results, no change. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Nobody is willing to tell you, and it's going to sting a little. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's holding you back and exactly how to fix it. I'm not here to make you feel good today. I'm here to make you rich. And sometimes those two things are not the same. So if you're ready for the truth, let's get into the 7 real reasons you're still broke, despite using AI every single day. Reason number 1, you're consuming instead of creating. You watch AI videos, you read AI tweets, you follow AI accounts, but you're not building anything. Every hour you spend consuming content about making money with AI is an hour you could have spent actually making money with AI. Information without action is just entertainment. And it gets worse. Reason number 2, you're using AI as a toy, not a tool. You ask ChatGPT random questions. You generate funny images. You play with voice generators. Meanwhile, other people are using the exact same tools to write content for paying clients, build chatbots for businesses, and automate income streams. Same tools. Completely different mindset. Reason number 3. You're waiting to feel ready. You're still researching, still planning, still waiting for the perfect moment to start. Here's the truth. That moment never comes. The people making money with AI right now were not ready when they started. They started anyway. Readiness comes from doing, not from watching more videos. Stay with me. Because reason number 4 is where most people get stuck indefinitely. Reason number 4, you're trying to master everything instead of one thing. You want to do AI content writing and faceless YouTube and chatbot building and automation services and image selling all at once. Result? You're mediocre at everything and excellent at nothing. The people making real money with AI picked one thing, went deep, got good, got paid, then expanded. Pick one, master it, then move. Reason number 5, you don't treat it like a business. You treat AI income like a hobby. Something you do when you feel like it, when you have time, when you're motivated. Real businesses operate on schedules. They have targets. They have systems. If you want business results, you need to show up like a business owner, not like someone who dabbles. Reason number 6, you're afraid of looking stupid. You don't post your first video because it might not be perfect. You don't pitch your first client because they might say no. You don't launch your first service because someone might criticize it. Meanwhile, someone with half your knowledge and twice your courage is out there making money because they didn't care about looking stupid. Your fear of judgment is costing you real money every single day. And the final reason, and this one is the hardest to hear, reason number 7, you don't actually believe it will work for you. Deep down, underneath all the research and planning and watching, there's a voice saying, this works for other people, but not for me. That voice is lying to you. The only difference between you and the person making $500 a month with AI is that they ignored that voice and you're still listening to it. The tools are free. The information is everywhere. The opportunity is real. The only thing standing between you and results is the decision to stop making excuses and start making moves. So here's your challenge right now. Pick whichever reason hit you the hardest. The one that made you slightly uncomfortable. The one you recognized in yourself. That's your starting point. Not tomorrow. Not after more research. Right now. Drop in the comments which reason hit you hardest. I read every single one, and I'll personally help you break through it. And if this video challenged you, subscribe. Because this is exactly the kind of content I make every week. No fluff, no hype, just the truth you need to actually win. If this made sense, you need the next one. Follow for more AI money hacks.